Hi guys, happy Monday. Today we're going to be comparing two different groups of coins and using our greater than and less than signs to do it. So you're going to need coins to complete this worksheet. I'm going to do the first one by myself and then you're going to do the second one. We're going to do the second one together. Repeat after me. I can compare two groups of coins. So this is the worksheet that you're going to be doing, and it's in the drawing tool. So you're going to be actually able to draw on this document. And to draw it, all I've done is go next to the select button. There's a little line. So you can do line, arrow, elbow connector, any of these. Go to the very last one, scribble, and make sure that you click scribble. So it says compare the amounts to figure out which is more. So the first thing I had to do for my number one is I had to get 8 pennies or 3 nickels. So I had to get 8 pennies, a group of 8 pennies, and I had to get a group of 3 nickels. So here's my group of 8 pennies and 3 nickels. Let's watch as I count my pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. I know that this group of pennies is 8 cents. I can help my thinking by writing that down. 8 cents. Now let's count my nickels. I know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5, 10, 15. I'm going to write that down. 15 cents. Now I have to decide, which is greater? Is 8 cents greater than 15 cents? Or is 8 cents less than 15 cents? I know 8 cents is less than 15 cents because my alligator always eats the bigger number. So 8 cents is less than 3 nickels. So I've got my squiggle and I'm going to do my sign. 8 cents is less than 3 nickels. I can also circle which is greater, 3 nickels. Now for the second one, we're going to do it together. So I have to get 2 quarters and then 5 nickels. I have my 2 quarters and my 5 nickels. I know that a quarter is worth 25 cents. And from our practice by counting by 25s or 5s that you should have done at the beginning of the lesson, I can count by 25s. 25, 50. 2 quarters is the same as 50 cents. Now let's count by 5s for our nickels. 5, how much? Nice job. 5 nickels is the same as 25 cents. Think in your brain, is there a coin that's worth the same as 5 nickels? Yeah, a quarter's the same. If 1 quarter's the same, do you think 2 quarters is more or less? That's right. 50 cents is greater than 25 cents. So with my squiggle tool right here, with my squiggle tool, I'm going to say that 2 quarters is greater than 25 cents right here. And I can even write 25 cents right here and 50 cents right here, if that helps my thinking. And that's all. I can't wait to see what you guys do for numbers 1 through 14 of this worksheet.